Hi, I'm Patrick DeFeo with DeFeo Luxury Properties. And if you've been looking for acreage and opportunity in Sarasota, this one is for you. Welcome to 4725 North Tuttle Avenue. This property sits on an incredible 2.25 acre corner lot with no deed restrictions, giving you true freedom. You've got a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with major upgrades already done, including a brand new metal roof, new electrical, and a full water system. Inside, you'll find new luxury vinyl plank flooring and a fully updated kitchen with quartz countertops and brand new appliances. Step outside to an oversized corner lot with gated side access, perfect for RVs or boats. You're also just minutes from Siesta Key Beach. This is perfect for someone who wants space, flexibility, and the ability to truly customize. Call me now at 941-518-0708 for a private showing, or click below for more information.